Hello everybody, it's time once again to clean the floor with another pine product. Today I have Breatho Pine multi-surface, cleans, deodorized, cuts grease. Smell the clean. It boasts real pine oil, real clean. Take a look at the label. It does not specify the amount of pine oil. I did find an old MSDS from 1994, and at that time it had 19.9%. And we all know that's not the case now. And feel free to pause if you want to look at something a little closer. It is made in the USA. It's made in New York. So let's give this a try. As usual, it'll be the cap full per 1 gallon of water, just for testing purposes. And here's my usual bucket. There's my 1 gallon of water. Let's add the cap full of Breatho Pine. And that smells wonderful. And it indeed appears to have some pine oil in it, as it's turning the water a bit cloudy. Well, let's get to mopping. And as usual, I will go over the floor twice. It's already been pre-swept. We'll go around the edge first. And our mop broke. Alright, it's a little while later, and I'm back from the store with a brand new mop. Now I can continue cleaning with the Breatho Pine. Go over it one more time. That should be sufficient. Here's a look at the water. It picked up quite a bit of dirt, so that's a good thing. Not quite as strong of a pine scent as I would like, but overall did a good job. Once again, this is Cleaning the floor with Breatho Pine.